Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise with InShot. So if you have annoying background noise ruining your videos, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove background noise in InShot so your audio sounds clean, crisp, and professional. So let's just launch the InShot application first. So once the InShot is open, you can now just tap on video, then select the video that you want to edit, tap on new and choose the video. So let's say I want to edit this videos right here. Click on a check icon. Okay, so once the video is on the InShot timeline, now if you want to remove that background noise that annoys you, you can just tap on the video here and then swipe on the toolbar at the top, choose volume options, and there will be these options to the noise. So this is the noise rejections tools in InShot, so you can just enable it by clicking on the denoise, and here you can also adjust the volume of the video. For example, I'm going to make it louder. Now you can just tap on a check icon, and here you can tap on export, and here you can choose the resolution, frame rate, and format if you want to, but if not, you can just tap on export. Okay, so now the video will be exporting and will be saved on your gallery. You can preview the result again, and if you still hear the background noise on the video, you can do the exact same step again. So you can just click on the home button at the top, choose video, and start a new project with the video that you just saved from InShot. And in here, you can do the exact same steps. Click on the video, volume, and tap on the noise. Click on a check icon, and then you can export again. So you can just repeat these steps until you get the audio quality that you want. So that's pretty much all. With this easy InShot trick, your videos will sound smooth and noise-free in seconds. So I hope this will be helpful for you. If you think so, don't forget to click on the like or the thumbs up button. And if you still have question, you can drop a comment below. So don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!